So we don't just fix Sayrons, we've got a KAYO Foxy in today. Unfortunately, someone had a little accident and decided to crash into a tree by the looks of it, so all the plastics and the front end's all smashed in. So we've got some nice brand new plastics on there, headlights, crash bar, and everything fitted onto this for the customer. So the good thing about buying a quad or bike from us is no matter what brand it is, we can always get the spare parts for them. So for example, this customer, you know, nice new quad, really upset, so we managed to get this and get it all fixed for them and get it back out so the kids can enjoy it and have some fun. If you'd like any more information on our workshop services, then view the website and click the workshop tab. Alternatively, call us on 0330 311 0854.